So what says you?
I say we are on the altitude.
Zero altitude.
Yes, altitude zero.
Altitude zero. Altitude zero. Look at this.
2 hours ago, altitude
Yeah, point. Where were we?
8,300 meters.
I love the exaggeration. Oh my god. See, in Camiguin, the only place you can go to the beach and hike at the same time, right? In that volcano that we came from, and now you're at the beach.
Did it hurt?
You know, I can't believe you're in a relationship with this guy. Oh man, y'all are funny. Y'all are such an amusing couple. Is this our spot?
I guess so.
Islanders, y'all. Filipino brand. Gotta support local. Gotta support local.
I don't know how you can be so slow and so nice.
We have like 2 hours here, dude. Like, I don't know. I'm just having a good time. Let me just relax before I.
Like a dog.
Let me just relax, man, before we all go and just. I don't know. So we're in Camiguin. This is their last day. Bye. And then they're off to where? Puerto Princesa?
Si. No. What's it called? Cebu.
Cebu. Mm-hmm.
Oh, yeah. Actually, that's only our transit.
Yeah.
I don't know. He is making the plan.
He's making the plans. And this could possibly be my last day too. So before I go back to Davao. But it's nice. It's so nice.
But
here.
life is full of surprises.
It is. I didn't even know. I didn't even know that today I'd be going on a hike like yesterday until like last minute, right? It's so beautiful, but whatever, right? It is what it is at this point. Well, I'm gonna go enjoy. Bye!